Here is my personal top 10 Unity assets for building visually stunning, interactive and efficient games. Let's start with DoTween. This is not just another animation tool, it's a fast, efficient and type-safe engine that allows you to animate anything in Unity. From simple UI tweaks to complex 3D object transformations, it has you covered. It's lightweight, highly optimized and offers features like looping and custom easing options. Picture this. You wanna add cinematic level destruction to your game. RayFire is the solution. This Unity plugin allows for in-depth fracturing and slicing of 3D objects. What's more, it offers advanced dynamic simulation controls for handling your objects and their demolished fragments. From shooting and explosions to applying complex forces, RayFire brings a whole new layer of destruction realism and interactivity to your project. The third on our list is Toony Colors Pro 2, a complete shader generator that takes your Unity project to a whole new level of visual style. With an emphasis on ease of use, this asset allows to create custom shaders by picking from dozens of features. It supports both built-in and universal render pipelines, and also includes desktop and mobile versions. It's not just about shaders, it's a comprehensive toolkit that makes your project visually stunning and unique. N-Hance isn't just another 3D asset studio, it's practically an art gallery for RPG game developers. The attention to detail in their models is simply mind-blowing. From character design to the texture quality, it's a feast for the eyes. What's more, most of these assets are modular and come with high-quality animations. If you're even thinking about making an RPG, you need to check out N-Hance assets. Want your game to feel immersive and engaging? Our next recommendation is the Feel asset, a toolkit specifically designed to take your game's sensory feedback to the next level. Just compare the game before and after applying Feel. This toolkit is essential for mixing visual elements, seamlessly combining camera shakes, animations and particle effects for an engaging player experience. Are you tired of sifting through a dull, monochromatic project browser? Rainbow Folders 2 offers a colorful solution to your folder organization woes in Unity. It lets you personalize each folder with custom icons and backgrounds. What's even better? You can apply this customization to multiple folders simultaneously or cascade them down to all subfolders. The asset comes packed with our 70 pre-made icons and even provides optional raw shading and project tree outlines to further streamline your workflow. If you're aiming to elevate your shaders, look no further than Amplify Shader Editor. With an extensive library of nodes, this asset makes complex shader development feel like a breeze. What sets it apart is its user-friendly collaboration features. You can easily copy-paste shader nodes and rapidly share them with your team. As a bonus, Amplify offers a sample assets library, allowing you to experiment and blend different shaders with ease. It's also compatible across various Unity versions, a true game changer for your shader work. Paint in 3D allows you to bring color to your 3D objects, both in-game and in the editor. Optimized for multiple platforms, this asset supports standard, HDRP and URP pipelines. Beyond just painting, it offers a range of features like brush modifiers that can adjust your brush settings on the go. What sets it apart is its focus on performance. You can paint your object millions of times without a hit on the frame rate. Plus, its source code is fully included, giving you the freedom to tweak as you please. The A-Start Pathfinding asset combines speed and simplicity, making it easy for your AIs to find players even in the most complex mazes. This system is perfect for TD, FPS and RTS games. It supports a variety of graph types like grid, nowmesh, point, and hexagonal, and also features automatic nowmesh generation for added convenience. Fully multi-threaded, it has a minimum impact on frame rates. Plus, it comes with advanced features like fast post-processing and local avoidance. With just a single line of code, you can activate the pathfinding, making it both powerful and user-friendly. Finally, we have Odin. I'll just say it. It's an essential tooling system for Unity. I use it in every project for everything, from customizing my editor inspector to creating brand new project windows. You're going to want to have this one in your toolkit. And that's a wrap! Check out my channel for deep dives into Odin, DoTween, and Toony Colors Pro too. Want to see more about a certain asset? Comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video!